I am doing no talking until merge. I will be Mitch. I will skip this bit because it's long. Everyone is saying I was last. It was Bestie. Let's hope Brianna votes her. Yes. People are saying I am teaming. I can't talk, so this is bad. Team swap. We gotta win if I wanna be safe. We won. I just got voted, but it was team swap. I can talk now, yeah. I lost, so I am gone. Now I wasn't even teaming. Assumers. Oh, it is double elimination. I will stay for jury, but I will cut it out. Jury vote. They be both so mean to me, I hate them.
They are both thoughts.